Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. Thanks a lot for watching and feel free to subscribe and be part of this amazing community. Stay tuned, greatness is coming.
Listen, you find out where he want it and I'll do it, no problem, eh? That's why.
Yeah, just leave that short.
Teamwork makes the dream work. Teammate. You lock it, eh?
Yeah, I love it. Always lock it.
I like to see your reaction. Aye. Okay. Wow. 2013, mate. Living the dream.
I'll tell you what to do this, right?
No worries.
That on there.
Yeah. Between the door and the...
And then it sits there nice and locked, see?
I don't like to keep the electricity and the water tied together. So it's only this one, eh?
Yeah.
What I don't understand is why the pallet cannot take all the way.
Just only just swap on it.
Yeah. Because normally I'm...
Spin it round.
Yeah, don't worry. Because normally I'm putting all the pump truck in and it's taking the whole pallet.
Get it on and then turn it so it's not like...
Don't worry, mate.
Are they steelers by any chance?
Yeah,
Steel top?
yeah, look.
I want to ask you, 'cause they actually look like proper trainers.
30 pounds Sports Direct. Hop.
Turn.
Don't worry. 1 second. Yeah. Okay. Well, if it was bigger, I would have dropped the brake, but now it's okay.
Right, we need to get it up that little curb there, and then there's a bit of a drop on the path, you know, right there.
Okay.
Behind that car.
No problem.
Now that's what we're going to.
Yeah. Yeah. This is the back of the shop, huh? Drop it here. Mate,
Put it in the wrong bit.
where you want it? In the shop. So I'll give you the sack barrow or
Yeah, use that barrow.
yeah. It's long way in the shop or
I don't know. It's just that barrow.
yeah. I will need the remote again because it just fall down. So when you need to take the pallet, I'm gonna take the pallet on this anyway.
Yeah, we'll shut this up, but then we can just fill pallet
Yeah.
on and that barrow.
Yeah, no problem.
Inside the shop, man, not here. He said round the side, so.
So we need to take the pump trap as well. One
No,
sec.
just we'll put them on there, and then just throw the pallet in here.
Yeah. Nice one. Big boxes first?
Yeah.
Like
All
this
them-
one?
No, all them first.
This one?
But these are they're quite heavy.
Yeah. One. Two. Maybe that one. Put another one. Okay.
Hold on.
Oh.
Oh, hold on.
Fucking hell, it's so heavy. No, if you just
Right.
bring it on here, I'll do the rest.
Yeah, got it?
Don't worry, I'll come back with the sack barrow. Okay, boss, where you want it?
Inside.
Here? No problem.
Inside. Go to freezer. Yeah.
Here?
Yeah.
I don't know, it's the first time. Hello, hello. Yeah, no problem. Okay. So watch out, cause this. Yeah. Look, another sack barrow. Take this.
It's only thing one and that before the pallet pack on.
Yeah. Don't worry, I'll do this. And you can take the paper, okay? Leave the pallet here, I'll take it.
He's got the paperwork.
Ah, he's got everything.
Sign it.
Yeah. Okay. Job number 2. I quite enjoy this. Yeah, brother, that's everything. Happy? Happy?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Let me please check the date.
No problem. Take your time. I'm just gonna wait you outside, yeah?
Yeah, no worries.
Thank you very much. Okay. Thank you. Okay, safe. Let's go. Next job. So basically, there's nowhere to stop, mate. It's just that's the only way to do the delivery.